Open the door. Brother, is she doing?
Rashia,
Open the door.
Rashia, open the door.
Take any bad decision.
Why she's not opening the door?
Open the door, I said.
Sister, open the door.
Rashia,
What
What is
happened?
this?
Look at me.
Sister,
Look at me.
sister,
What happened?
Rashia,
Rashia.
sister. What have you done?
With these legs of mine, I won't be able to run away, Mom.
Hello. Oh, is it? I'll be there. Kartika.
Did you have anything outside?
Yes, doctor.
It's a food poison, that's why she's dehydrated. She'll be fine in 1 or 2 days. I'll give you the medicine, just give her. Don't worry about it.
Thanks a lot, man. Be careful. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm really
Just don't
sorry.
worry. You just go take a rest. Hello, Kartika.
What is it, Charlie?
Where are you now?
I'm going to SRM Travels to book a ticket.
Oh, is it so? When are you planning to leave?
Night, 10 o'clock bus.
Okay. See you.
I knew it. It was my new sandal. Broke off.
Why don't we buy a new one?
This is enough. Why are you really doing all this? You're always with me. You should even think about your future, right?
I know that, but wherever you go, I'll come. Whatever you tell me, I'll do.
So will you leave cricket? Tell me, will you leave cricket?
If I leave cricket, will you get married to me?
Cook it well.
Good morning, boss.
Salam. Sit down. Shafiq, you are going to switch goods this time.
Yes, boss.
8 crores worth of it. Must be very careful.
Okay, boss.
Police are watching us very closely. That is why I'm sending you.
Okay, boss.
I'll call you tomorrow. I'll tell you where to get the cash and where to deliver the goods tomorrow. I feel there is an informer within our group. I should take him off. You said your sister is getting married. This is for that expense. Have food and go.
Okay.
Shafiq, after receiving goods, you must come here straight, okay? You can leave.
uncle. How are you?
I'm fine. My eldest daughter is getting married.
How are you,
Sarona.
brother?
I'm fine, dear. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How are you, uncle?
Mom, 2 more coffees. How is job, uncle?
Why do you want 2 coffee? Oh, you. How are you? How is everyone at home? At least now you thought of coming here.
Brother, where are you working now?
In harbor.
Okay.
Saravana, the first invitation is to you. You must all come and bless the couple. It should happen in your presence. Okay, I'll take
sure.
my leave. I have to distribute invitations.
Okay.
Saravana, I'll come and pick you up.
Okay, uncle. Bye, Kartika.
Huh.
We are leaving, auntie.
Tell me, Sanjay.
Bro, the diamonds.
I'll get it within this evening. It'll be delivered tomorrow.
Make it quick, brother. It's the office money. Manager has his doubts on me already. I have to show him the diamond somehow.
Don't worry. The delivery will be right.
Okay.
Come.
What is he saying?
He's confirming delivery tomorrow. I can only handle Vishwanathan by showing these diamonds.
Shafiq, take this bag and go to the market lane.
Okay.
In this vehicle number, you'll find 2 fellows. Give it to them and get the stuff. Come here directly. Bring it straight here, okay?
Yes, boss.
Careful.
What happened? Why are you walking so slow?
I'm really afraid.
Don't worry. This time I'll come with you. Okay?
Okay.
Bro, put these headphones and don't disconnect the call.
Okay.
I'll be telling you what to do.
Okay.
There's a place near the market. You can exchange the goods there.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, take it. Bro, start the auto.
Dad, you should take good care, okay? You should listen to what mom says. Okay then, let me leave. Bye, mom.
This place is so crowded.
That's right. If we do it in a crowded place, nobody will suspect
Okay.
us. I'm here. Just do what I say.
Okay.
Be careful.
Bye.
Go ahead. Brother, I think the cops are around. Just be careful.
I think one policeman is there. What should I do?
Don't get rattled. Don't look at him and just move forward. Hey bro, I guess somebody informed the police. Don't stay there. Just move from that place and come behind the bus stand. Okay?
Okay.
I guess the vehicle is there. Just go ahead and exchange the goods quickly.
He's always there wherever I go. Will he be somewhere around here? Brother, when will this bus leave?
It will take around 15 minutes.
Okay, thanks. I'll try calling him. Hello? Where are you?
I'm in Chennai.
Oh,
Why? What happened?
no, it's nothing.
Just tell me.
Okay, I'm keeping. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Hey, who's that man? Hey!
Hey, who are you? I said stop!
Did you go this way?
Yes, sir.
I received the item, but police chasing me.
Somehow escape from that place. Don't get caught. Take care of the diamond.
It's him, right?
Hey, you! Stop!
Go to the other side.
Yes, sir.
Brother, what are you doing here?
Take this, Kartika. Keep it with you. I will come and collect it in your home.
Brother, I'm leaving for Chennai.
Just go inside and check.
Not here, sir.
Sir, the man is missing. He's wearing a red cap and a striped shirt. Madam, chips, madam. It's free, madam.
I don't want it.
Sir, she's my friend. Can you please let me sit here? Better I should have been in Chennai only.
Sir, he's my friend. Can you please go sit there? And can I shift here?
Why not?
Thanks.
Sir, don't you think it's him?
Is he him? Brother, come here.
Hey, come here.
Sir, me?
Yeah, it's you.
Sir,
What are you doing here?
to buy vegetables.
Don't lie, man. You were the one who was running, right?
It's not me, sir. I just came to market.
Hey, you ran
Just
after
check
seeing
him
me,
if he's
right?
got
No,
anything.
sir. It's not me.
Just check him.
Raise your hands.
He doesn't have anything, is it?
Nothing, sir.
What shall we do?
How about we take him to the station and say that he's a suspect?
Okay. Come to the station, report and go.
Sir, why should I have to come, sir?
Nothing, man. It's just a signature.
We'll
Come.
just
I
take
didn't
your
do
address and let you go. Come
Sir-
on.
Sir, listen to me. Sir, here is a mole and a mark over here.
What, man? Had a fight, is it?
No, sir, I met with an accident. Sir,
Raise your hand. Looks like a knife wound.
no, sir, I fell down from the vehicle. Sir, shall I take leave, sir?
Wait, man. Meet our inspector and then you go.
Sir, I have so many works, sir.
What is your job?
Sir, I am selling bakery items in bars and shops, sir.
So if you don't sell bakery items, do you think nobody will drink that night? Go sit, meet the inspector and then go.
Thank you very much. Kartika,
Yeah.
why don't we get married?
Let's see if your mom agrees to it.
Oh, so you're okay.
Let's find out what your mom's saying.
Don't worry about that. You have said okay, no? I'll talk to my mother. Shall we go and meet her now?
You mean now? Let me go get dressed and come. Then we'll go.
Okay.
Mm. One second, I'm coming.
We'll go there on a bike. Hope you're okay with it, right?
Mm.
Can I tell you something?
What happened?
Can you please take these flowers off?
Why is that?
Actually, these things are not practiced in my place. So just for the sake of my mother, can you please adjust for one day?
Not even this?
Even that. Kartika, please adjust for today.
What are you doing?
Mom? Kartika,
Mm.
I had told you about her, right?
Are you a Christian?
No, Auntie. I'm a Hindu.
Mom, I told you, right? She's a Hindu.
I know that. Shouldn't I ask you anything? Don't you put kumkum and put flowers?
I use them, Auntie. But today, because I was coming to meet you, Charlie asked me not to keep it.
Charles has told me everything. I do everything according to his wish. In his studies and in cricket. In everything. But marriage? I'm telling you frankly, we are Christians. Our custom and your custom are totally different. I go to church every day, and Jesus is always in my mind. I like Charles to be like me only. But now I am scared. Cricket was his only ambition. But since you have told him he wants to go for work, he started to listen to you now itself. Who knows, in future he will turn like you? After his father's death, he is my world. I have dreamt a lot about his life. If you come in the middle suddenly, is it justice? Now you tell me. Tell me, dear.
You're right, Auntie.
Mom, why are you talking like this? We have already decided to get married. When I've come to ask for permission,
Permission? If I disagree, are you going to leave her? I told about my choice. Now it is left up to you. I hope you will understand me.
I understood, Auntie. I'm leaving now.
God bless you.
Thanks, Auntie. I respect you a lot. I'm really sorry for troubling you. From now on, between both of you, surely I will not come. Bye, Auntie.
I'll go drop her and come.
Go.
Kartika, I'll drop you.
There's no need. I'll go alone.
Just wait for a minute. I'm sorry.
This is what I said from the beginning itself. We both are not meant to be together. Let's end everything now itself.
Don't worry, I'll talk to my mother and convince her somehow.
You leave about mom. First you rectify yourself. Why are you telling me one thing and telling her something else? Why are you acting? Are you planning to act lifelong? You can do it, but I really can't. I can only be myself.
It's not required for you to change. But please adjust with my mother just for my sake.
For how long? I don't need these tensions in my life. This is always going to be a problem. We are never ever going to meet again.
Okay, you're angry now. I'll talk to you sometime later.
Whenever you come, this is my final decision.
I thought everything will be alright. But I don't know what to do now. On one side my mother, and on the other side this
You
girl.
don't worry, I have an idea.
What can you do, man? Hey, listen. Kartika. 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 Just wait for 1 second, please. Kartika, till the time to come back in the evening, I'll be here. Leaving you behind, I'm not going anywhere. Sir, good morning, sir.
I'm coming to the station after 2 days. I was in my native. I'll talk to you later. Who is this?
He's a suspect, sir.
Did you find any stuff with him?
There's no stuff with him, sir.
Then, what do we do with him? Take his address and ask him to go.
Yeah. You heard him, right? Get lost.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, coming, sir.
Hello.
Hello, Kartika. I am Shafiq here.
Tell me, brother.
On the day I gave a box to you in the bus, is that safe with you?
1 minute, hold the line. Let me check. Yeah, I have it with me. Daddy, why didn't you come back when I called you?
Yeah, on the day I was facing some other problem. Is the box is safe only, no?
Shall I courier it then?
No. It's very important thing. I will come directly and collect it.
Okay, brother.
I'm starting today itself. Tomorrow morning I will be there. Please give me your address.
In the morning, then I'll give you my office address.
Okay, then you give your office address.
31 City Corner, Adyar.
31 City Corner, Adyar. I will give a call after reaching there.
Yeah, sure.
Please keep it safe.
Okay, brother. Bye.
Get that rascal. Wherever he hides,
Hey,
get him.
Shafiq!
Shafiq, come out.
Shafiq! Where is Shafiq?
Hey, what happened?
Ask him to come out.
Hey, go search the house.
Yes, sir. Hey,
See if you can find the
Sorry,
stuff.
Who are you? Hey, if you go and eat like this, there won't be anything for packing. Hey, what happened? 2 days you didn't come here? We couldn't get you on the phone also?
2 days I was very busy and phone was not working. Give me some water.
Hmm.
Where is the dad?
What is this? Because you told him your friend Asif has taken him.
Yeah, I only asked them to call him.
Is there any problem?
No, nothing. I just forgot it. I will go and get him back.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Come soon.
Hello, Dad.
Fauzan speaking.
Boss.
Why, Shafiq, you did this? Huh? Bring the diamonds here straight.
Boss, actually what happens when... Boss, it's my father.
Your father is here safe. If you want him to be safe, bring the stuff here.
Don't harm my father, boss. I will come immediately.
If I come to know you go somewhere and meet someone, you will not see your father alive.
Okay, boss. I'm coming.
If I stay here, he'll always keep following me. And as for me, I can never face him again.
I have given you a lot of time. I can't be more patient than this. If you don't hand over the accounts by today night, I might have to complain to the boss. Be careful. What do you say, Chandru?
Okay, sir.
Not only that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? Come in. What is it, madam?
Please accept my resignation.
Resignation? What happened?
Family problem, sir.
You have anyways decided to leave. Are you going to listen to me? When do you want to get relieved?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow? Don't you know the rules of this company? Either you have to give 2 months notice or give 2 months salary. Don't you know that?
That's okay, sir.
Then why tomorrow? Today itself you can go meet the HR, give your follow-up files and then you can leave. Please meet the HR.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
What the hell is this? Huh? When you asked me for ironing yourself, I just got doubt on you. You will be doing like this only. Say me the truth. keeping the iron box on this and you're just looking here and there for ladies only, no? Say me the
God's
truth.
sake, please don't talk
What?
like this. I'm always a sincere husband to you. When I don't have the guts to see your face, how can I see other girls' face? Huh? Believe me.
What is in your face?
On my face?
Ah. Huh?
Nothing is wrong.
What is on your face, I'm asking?
Nothing is wrong, dear.
Nothing is there.
Uh-huh.
No, don't play police games inside the house. I told you lot of
Yes,
times.
you have told.
You have a mustache. Mustache on your face.
Mustache.
Mustache.
Sorry.
Ah.
Actually, I forgot that I'm entering inside
Ah.
the house, you
Hey.
know.
If you step into this house with this mustache, no, I'll just pluck each and every hair like this. One by one, I'll pluck it off.
Mummy, why are you shouting at him like this?
Oh, let her tell, dear. Do you know the gangsters in our area will shiver when they
Ah.
see me? I should also shiver when I see someone, right? That someone is my dear wife.
Oh, that's the thing.
What is this, sister? Why do you have to always shout at him?
Look, don't interfere in this, okay? I know how to deal with my husband, okay? I'm not like you, leaving the husband and going out of the house. Ladies means you have to be inside the house.
Yeah, correct,
I
correct,
can understand what you're doing over here now. You even did the same thing to his younger brother. I know that well.
Just shut up. Hold this. As you said, she became Kaushal's wife too. That's because I approved it.
Oh, come on, stop fighting now. We should be happy, not fight like
Ah.
this. What do you say, darling? You know, darling, I've got something special for you from South
Oh
Africa.
my god, I want to see what are all you have brought for
If
me.
you want to know, come to the bedroom.
Ah.
Take rest today, brother, okay?
Okay, okay.
Brother, didn't you get me also something?
I did, I'll give it to you afterwards.
What afterwards, sir? No afterwards, no before. Your husband is there in the case, no? You go and ask him. Came to ask the gift and all.
What did you bring for me?
Oh, I've got lots of things for you, little one. I want you to go and play chess with Auntie. First, I'll give Mommy's gift and then yours later, okay?
okay.
Huh?
Come here.
Has he brought anything for
My
me?
brother is such a respectable
Ah,
person.
he's very respectful man.
I'm blessed to have someone like him.
Ah, wow.
Soap. This is also soap. Oh. Oh. This is what, darling?
Ah,
Jam?
that's hair gel, darling.
Gel. What is this, darling? It's very small cloth.
Oh, come on. Don't you understand,
Ah.
darling? It's a see-through night suit, honey.
Oh.
You'll feel very comfortable.
Oh, in Africa to get the hair they use this, no? They will be getting nice breeze, no?
Ah, I don't know about that. I got this specially for you, honey. Please wear it. I want to see you in it. Also, if it suits you.
First, let me take all these and show it to him and come now.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Sit,
wait, I'll
don't
be
go,
here
wait.
only. Love. Why you're just getting hurry? Let me go and show him first. Just wait, I'll come now
darling,
itself.
darling, oh, darling. Oh, I almost did it with her. I've come after so many days, and my wife doesn't want to spend time with me. I'm leading such a pitiful life. What do I do, God? This is so sad. I hate this. Aw. I shouldn't be sad. I'll cheer myself. I'm happy. I got this bottle along. I'll drink and forget my worries.
My wife. When I see her through this window, she also looks beautiful. But she's not fit to be my wife. Always opens her mouth only with foolishness. Shh. 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 Here. Look here.
Who is it? Who? Rajan, is that you?
What is that? Oh, she has somebody called Rajan also. Okay. Now I've understood why you shooed me away from this house only to get him inside. Eh?
Oh, was it you?
Whom else do you think will come to your house at this time of the night?
I thought it must be some cat or dog.
I know. I must be a dog for you. But that Rajan must be your god, right? Tell me, who is that Rajan? Eh?
Oh, Rajan stays nearby.
Huh?
Kaushal had said that he wanted fish. I thought it was him.
Oh, to tell me the truth. You are a person who is going around even with a fisherman, and I loved you so much. If I had started constructing a house all this while instead of getting married to you, I would have finished constructing a house. Where are your brothers? I am going to kill both of them and I'm going to hang them in front of this house. Hey, bloody brothers!
Get out of my house!
Oh, lucky brother.
Good night, darling.
Good night. I cannot tolerate what's happening in front of me. This is total injustice. I bought Malu so many gifts from South Africa, but she doesn't care for me. I'll deal with you later.
Then come here, man. I am free now.
Who's that?
One Bhimasenan.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I came to see my wife, brother. Now don't waste any time. Come, brother, come, break my legs. If my wife doesn't want it, then why should I have this, brother? Come on, break it.
This is not right, brother-in-law. You're creating a scene now. Keep it low, Malvika might hear
I
you.
came to see my wife, brother, but she threw me out and closed the door behind me.
We're sailing in the same boat.
She also closed the door?
We both are going through the same problem.
Sir,
Uh,
I could not get big fishes today. Small ones I got.
that's okay. Hey, do you want to have a drink?
I don't mind.
Okay, then
sir.
come. Please cook these fish for me. I like my fish spicy.
Oh no! My god! So this is Rajan. So stupid of me. I doubted my wife for this Rajan. I'm sorry, my dear.
Yeah,
Where?
here only.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, this side.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
it's a big
oh
one.
God.
Darling, I need to tell you something. You should not get angry on me.
Why you want to scare to say any matter? Say frankly.
Can I tell you?
Say.
Kaushal bro is giving his money, property, everything for you. But one doubt, are you sincerely loving my brother, dear?
What you're saying is right. I really love only you. Actually, I married you only, no?
Yeah.
You only compelled me to marry him. That's why I married him. That's all.
But I feel that is not enough at all. If we marry some other girl, what will be our situation, dear?
As soon as he gets the marriage, I will be free from that. Then what?
I have told you several times not to talk nonsense like this, dear. But how will you listen? You have the time only to shout at me alone. Just listen, my dear. If my brother marries a girl, we may have to return the house to him. When your family had some financial problems, you had a relationship with me and married me, right? Whatever savings I had with me, your father and mother got the treatment because of that. When your parents passed away, the entire expenses was taken by Kaushal, right? You very well know that my brother's got a lot of properties in his name. Other than that, Mr. Shares, even if he takes a VRS from his IAS, he's a lion in taking care of his business. A lion. He should think that he's not alone in his life. That's it. Otherwise, we will have to face the problems.
So this is what you're thinking now, huh? Because you married me only, you became like this, huh? Say now. Yes or no?
I think you forgot
What?
what I told you before itself. Don't get angry. Don't get angry.
Then what I have to say? However you compel me to love him, I can't do that with him. My mind and heart is thinking only about you.
Please don't cry like this. See, there is some more insect in your head.
Oh,
Let me
God,
take it. Let me
leave
take
this
it.
now.
Okay, come. I'll give you a hug.
Oh, come, daughter.
Come, dear. Come.
See this?
Come. Sit
What
down.
is this?
Mummy,
Uh.
I have a doubt.
What
is
doubt
that?
here?
This is one uncle. This is my other uncle.
Uh-huh.
So who is my father?
I don't know what to say the answer.
Left hand, right hand. Brother, you have to shake your body when you're running.
You're talking too much. Look straight and run. Come on.
Oh.
Hello. Good morning, uncle.
What? Uncle? Huh? Where's Chacos?
Oh, sir, she got back pain. I'm here now.
Yeah, whatever. Bye.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Oh, please don't call me uncle.
If you're running like this, how you will lose your weight, huh? If you want to lose your weight, you have to jog like me. See?
First reduce your tummy and then talk about my eyes. Don't mind your own business. Don't talk
Hello,
bad about
uncle.
me. Uncle, huh? Is your father at
He
home?
may have reached the park by now, uncle. See you, uncle.
I just returned from South Africa, but you're not showing any respect towards me.
Oh, I won't believe in this fake respect, okay?
Oh, that means you do not give respect to men. You have some vengeance against them.
I always struggle for women's only. That's all.
They say that when a man and woman get married, they can be happy forever.
Oh.
They complement each other in life, in all aspects.
Actually, till now I didn't get married, but I didn't get any problem, you know?
Are you sure? In case you have a change of mind, please tell me. I know a lot about women. When I think about
Think
it...
about it?
That beautiful face.
Face?
Your face comes to my mind.
Oh.
Will you give me...
What?
I mean, give me some love. Only if you go to a hill station will you know how cold it is.
Hey, careful, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I know you all got together and created a problem in the function.
Sorry, sir. It was not intentional.
Are you going to organize that function again, or are you going to not conduct it?
Actually, I'm busy, sir. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I know you're up to something. I'll talk to you about it later.
That's too
my
bad, dear.
chest.
Get up.
Mommy. Oh, my chest hurts so
Did you
bad.
get hurt yourself, sir?
Yes, I felt as though I slammed against a rock.
Actually, what happened to you?
What do I tell you? After dashing you, my whole body is aching. Has she worn her arm or something?
No, it's original, you know.
What are you talking?
Nothing, madam. I just fell down.
Any problem?
No problem.
Okay, good luck. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope we'll meet tomorrow also.
Huh? We'll meet after a week.
Okay. Oh dear. Just wait.
I hope I don't see that elephant again.
Hi, Basanti. You don't seem to be in a good mood today.
Why cannot I be arrogant, huh?
You do it always when I am around.
How many times have I told you? I just can't fall in love with you. I just can't upset my family. Hi, uncle.
Uncle. Today you look really beautiful.
Thank you, uncle.
By the way, why are you following her? Just because you're Chaco's son? I won't hit you in front of everybody here. Don't do it again. Get lost.
It's good you told that, uncle. He always is like this.
Don't worry, I'm always here for you.
Listen, along with the felicitation for Mr. Kaushal, we should have some cultural programs also. Are you sure? That too, lot of varieties.
Varieties, huh? Varieties.
What is your suggestion?
We only know to fight and make very big fights. See, what we want is a family function, where with the presence of Kaushal sir, it will become more special.
Yes, he's right. Do you think it is required? If we plan our family entertainment programs, then don't you think there'll be an opposition for them?
Opposition is not a very big deal, but there should be no negativities.
That's not the point I thought. You know, the song and dance, don't you think it has to be given to the younger generation? Younger generation programs, actually, we are saying it almost every day, you know. There should be, a variety of entertainment.
Once again, when I was studying 3rd standard, I got 3rd prize in that. You know that?
Thank God you didn't get first prize.
I'm lucky that you stopped your education at 3rd standard itself. If you had completed your studies, then by now you would have become a very famous circus person.
That's why very next day the company got closed.
Then listen to me. Regarding your family's entertainment program, there's a lot of opposition from our association itself. But our group should be united and do it somehow. If that is the case, then I will do it. Yeah. Dance.
He will not dare to fight with the people like you, sir. I'm damn sure in that. But I'm not sure about that. Above all, any other problem arises, with the help of rowdies, I'll just clear him off. That I'll take care.
Don't you have any other idea than hitting and hurting?
I'm like this because of I'm in his party, right?
You see to it that you don't create an unnecessary problem, okay?
My dear Rosie, should we be learning Bharatanatyam at this age? Is that required?
I can't do anything. Whatever you want, you do.
Look here, whether it is folk or western, do whatever you want. You're already sick. Top to bottom, you're having already a lot of diseases. Remember that?
Then nothing to fear. India's rocket, no, it will come down straight to the floor.
Oh, good joke, sir.
Mr. Chettiar, just listen. When I was the president of this association, has there been any decision that is made without taking any consensus?
Never.
Never, right? Now how is it? They are deciding and they are implementing.
Ah.
You just see. That Gaurav, his wife and the second husband, what they're doing. I'm just going to wrap the whole thing and give it back to them.
I'm happy to
Hello.
hear that.
Don't act smart with that girl, okay? Whatever situation comes, she will handle everything alone, okay? But all here, all the fellows are useless. I'm always right. Always you're getting angry first.
If it's you, if I don't get angry, should I be laughing at you? Listen, my father used to kick 5 bodybuilders onto the floor in 5 minutes. I am his son. And you are telling about this Malavika, that lady. Me and my father have hunted down so many wild pigs and boars and only then started business in that forest. Do you know anything about those stories? Listen, I still have a lot of courage left in me. Till that time, I don't have to fear anybody in this world. You know that?
Really? Do we have a plan? What are you going to do now?
Simply you both are thinking but nothing is working. Mind your own business. Don't interfere with other workers, okay?
Mummy,
Huh?
please, I want 1,000 rupees. Can you give me?
Oh God. Our ATM machine is not working, dear.
Are you into that as well?
What?
Printing money?
What? Are you mad? Don't talk things like that, man. Are you mad? It must be in my purse. Go and take it, my son. Thank you, Da.
Da?
Not Da. It means dad. This generation.
He behaves only because of you only.
Yeah, it's because of me. Yes, I will spoil him. And I will spoil him to such an extent that he becomes the biggest spoiled brat in this world. And then I want to get him into politics.
Tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha.
My God. When I look at her through the window, she has nice features. It must be my fate that I can see her always only through the window.
Who's that man?
Wife, advocate.
Don't you know? He's Stella's husband. He's not good guy.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's your husband, right?
Yeah. He was husband. Now we will decide whether he has to be as husband or not.
Oh. So, is it a mistake to come and see my own
Look
wife?
here, this is my house.
Mhm.
Here ladies are dancing. Why are coming here? We all have husbands. Even till now, they also haven't come this side.
You must be having a couple of husbands, but all of them have only one husband.
Look, don't play here. Just get out of here.
If she is my wife, I'm going to definitely take her from here and
I
we'll
have
go.
told you 100 times that I'm not going to come with you. Please don't disturb our practice, sir.
No, teacher. I have respect for you, teacher. So I'm leaving now. Teacher, one second. To learn the whole of Bharatanatyam, what will be the expense?
You cannot learn dance in one day. Hey, but what's the matter?
If you have some time, even I want to learn Bharatanatyam. I want to compete with her and win one day.
Sister.
Don't mind all this.
There is no hurry, but we can learn leisurely. If you support me, I think I'll get her back one day.
The festival will come next year also, Satyam. Every year you participate, right? Just forget about it this year.
Sir, this year entertainment programs are in a grand manner, sir. Light music, fireworks, dance program.
Is there anything else?
Sir, you have to somehow grant me a leave for this, sir. Please, sir.
What do you mean by somehow, Satyam? You have to honor your commitments.
Sir, the entire auditing work I will complete by today, sir. Even if I have to sit late night. And after the verification, I will send the final mail. Is that okay for you? Sir, don't you think that I can complete the work by today?
Not that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Then I'm leaving.
Mr. Satyan.
Yes, Radhamani ma'am, take your tea. Satyan sir, this is your black
Oh,
tea.
thank you. I don't have time. I have to complete all my office work. Otherwise, I'll miss my entertainment program.
Why is it so?
Buddy, today I will not be joining our group for the return train. I may have to catch the last train. Mr. Kurup, tomorrow I'm on leave, sir.
Will we be able to see the committee member this time also on TV?
Hey, last year, unknowingly, I jumped in front of the camera. I don't have time for all these things. Tomorrow's festival, from early morning till midnight, I will not get even 1 second to relax myself. But still, I enjoy myself.
Yeah, okay. And you, if you don't turn up to office because of the festival, I will show you my true color. Because only during these festivals, people like him go and get drunk and sloshed, isn't it?
Did you know this? Once before, when he came drunk to the office, our boss has given him a serious warning. And that was the very last warning.
Will you please keep quiet? I have lot of work to be completed by today.
A very legal and approved sand mining of Marangara has been turned into a cheap political scandal by advocate Nandan and his wife. They have also misutilized the TV channel Right TV for this purpose. Their personal grudge against Home Minister Thomas Chacko is the only reason behind this scandal, Your Honor.
Your Honor, it is not about individuals over here. For the past 6 years, they have been taking soil. The beach used to be 3.5 kilometers long. The sea has swallowed that. They don't have pure water to drink, not enough fish in the sea. The income from the sea is not there. From the time government gave mining lease to CMC Limited, they are actually destroying that beach place. The people over there are suffering without pure water, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor. Yes, proceed. To rehabilitate them properly and to provide them proper compensation, my client CMC has assured the people of Marangara.
But that compensation is not enough. It's really bad. That money is not enough for anybody to build a house. What will they do for a living? The minerals that are part of the soil of Marangara, it has crores of value in the world market. And for that money alone, with the help of Central Home Minister Thomas Chacko, CMC Limited is ruining the lives of poor man.
Objection, Your Honor. Overruled.
The politicians over here and the leaders of society and the business tycoons, nobody is there to help these people. And the people living outside Marangara, it doesn't affect them directly, so they are not interested. That is why to protest against this, the people of Marangara came together outside. Wherever you were born, you should be able to live over there. The people of Marangara should get the right justice, and they should get it immediately. That is what I request you, my lord.
The court has addressed that this case is against all human ethics. It was mentioned in court today. Day after tomorrow is the final hearing for Marangara. Are you scared?
Why should I be scared? The truth will always win, and the truth will be given justice.
There is a rumor that CMC director Sam Mendes and Raji Nair have come to visit you in Kottayam.
You yourself are saying it's a rumor.
The accusation against you by Thangama Rajan in today's press conference is that you have direct links in the Marangara mining case also. Along with the CMC group, you are the fifth accused in that case.
I can prove that all these allegations are only not circumstantial and baseless. Some people from Marangara know the truth about this, and they can surely prove that I am innocent. Thank you.
He's a bloody rascal. Didn't you see he didn't open his mouth?
I have a feeling they might discuss about this in the guest house.
Hey Anu, what are you thinking? Are you planning to ditch us all and try and get some exclusive news for yourself?
No. Let me go to my room. I'm really tired. Good night.
Good night.
Buddy, give me a cup of strong tea.
How come you here at this time?
Had lot of work at the office today.
Now which train are you going to go by?
The last passenger. This year I really missed the festival music program.
Is it so?
Attention please, Amravati Express is arriving shortly at the platform number 4.
Hello, sister.
What happened, Sudhi?
I've managed a duplicate key.
Okay, I'll log in right now.
Sister, can you hear me?
Yes. Pan your camera a little more to the left.
Is it okay now?
Perfect.
Okay.
Now just switch off the monitor.
Sure.
Who are you?
Sir, we are the people who maintained the computer here. There was a complaint of virus threat in this. I just came to check that.
Just get out from here, man.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, sir. Just close the door. Nobody should come inside without my knowledge. Understood?
Okay, sir.
We have to put a full stop to this case somehow. You told the reporters that you'll do something about it. We don't have any eyewitnesses. I think this case is going to become a big issue. Please say something, sir. I'm very, very tensed. The Chief Minister wants to see you. Do you know why? He might give you a resignation letter. Before that, we have to do something about this case. The people and the party are working against you.
I know that very well. I know that everybody has been waiting for such a situation. And that too, this problem is because of that good-for-nothing lady. And today she's become the spotlight of the state. All this has been planned by that advocate.
There's no point talking about spilt milk. We have to take care of things hereafter. You don't want to lose your post, right? If people get to know about the truth, they'll be very angry.
Sir, why not we plan a trip all across the state? That is what we can do to hoodwink the people right now.
Just get lost from here, you idiot. Power is more addictive than even women. And just because some of our politicians don't understand this truth, it's very easy to make the citizens believe it. But if you ask me to resign for something I have not done, it's not possible.
What do we do, sir?
Just call that CMC Shivan inside.
No, sir.
Don't call from the mobile. Go out and call from some PCO. Tell him that I need him here within 1 hour.
I'm really scared, sir. Please don't do it.
These media people just need some news, right? I will create news for them now. And the whole world can celebrate on this. Who has switched on this webcam?
No, the computer is off, right?
Only the monitor is off. The CPU switched on. Somebody has deliberately done this. Hey, tell me, man. Whom did you do this for? Get me his phone. Anuradha Nandan.
Hello? Sudhi? I'm really feeling sick, Sudhi. Do you know what I saw just now? They have understood that the webcam was on. They won't be able to trace us, right? You should immediately go to Marangara right now. I'll try and get this on air. Hello? Hello? Who is this? Sudhi? Come.
She's not in the room.
What? Has she vacated the room?
No, her bag and the ID card is in the room itself. Our men are spread across all over the place. She cannot escape.
Hey, that's not enough. We have to be safe. That is more important. Would they have started printing the first edition of tomorrow's paper?
What is your plan, sir?
Call them and tell them to keep some space in the front page news. I have something for them. Tomorrow's headline has to be him. This boy, that girl, and the advocate. Did you understand?